குட் மார்னிங். இன்றைக்கி வந்து நம்ம 6th ஸ்டாண்டர்டில் தேர்ட் டேர்ம் ஃப்ராக்ஷன்ஸ் பற்றி பார்க்கலாம். வாட் டு யூ மீன் பை ஃப்ராக்ஷன்? ஃப்ராக்ஷன் இஸ் அ பார்ட் ஆஃப் எ ஹோல். The whole may be a single object or a group of objects. See the figure. Now this circle is divided into 8 equal parts. 2 parts are shaded. So the fraction is 2 by 8. Now in this, a group of triangles is given. 3 triangles are shaded. So 3 by 7 is the fraction here. Now types of fractions. There are 3 types of fractions: proper fraction, improper fractions and mixed fractions. What do you mean by proper fractions? Numerator is smaller than the denominator. For an example, 1 by 2, 3 by 4, 5 by 6, 11 by 20, 21 by 25 are examples of proper fractions. Improper fractions, numerator is equal or greater than the denominator. See the examples: 3 by 2, 7 by 4, 6 by 5, 15 by 11 or 10 by 10. See the picture: 8 by 6 and how many parts are shaded? 2 parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 parts. 2 by 6 is the fraction. Mixed fraction consists of a whole number and a proper fractions. One whole number and a proper fraction is called mixed fraction. See, proper fraction. A proper fraction is a fraction in which the numerator is always less than the denominator. Numerator is always less than the denominator is called the proper fraction. Improper fraction, numerator is bigger than the denominator. The numerator is bigger or same than the denominator. 5 by 2, 2 by 2, 4 by 4 or 7 by 4 is the examples of improper fractions. Now equivalent fractions. See the peanut. Murali has one peanut bar. He wants to share it equally with Rani. So he divided it into equal pieces. Each one has got one piece out of 2. If we divide this peanut bar into 2 pieces, each one will get 1/2 piece. Yes, which is half of the peanut bar. They both decided to have half of their share in the morning break and another half in the evening break. Now the total number of pieces becomes 4. Each one has 2 pieces out of 4. Now this 1 by 2 is further divided into 2 by 4. Yes, 2 by 4. Look at the figures. In both the type of sharing, they got only the same half of the peanut bar. Therefore 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 4. Hence 2 by 4 is equivalent to, we can otherwise say as equivalent to 1 by 2. 2 by 4 is equivalent to 1 by 2. If the peanut bar had been divided into 6 equal parts, equal pieces, each one would have got 3 by 6. This again they have divided. So 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 4 is equal to 3 by 6 is equal to 4 by 8. How do we get this equivalent fractions of 1 by 2? By multiplying the numerator and the denominator by the same number, we can get the equivalent fractions. This 1 by 2 is divided and multiplied by 2, we get 2 by 4. 1 by 2 into 3 by 3, we get 3 by 6. So 1 by 2, 2 by 4, 3 by 6, 4 by 8 are called equivalent fractions. Find 3 equivalent fractions of 3 by 4 and 2 by 7. Now how to find the equivalent fraction? Just now we have discussed multiplying the numerator and the denominator by a same number. Yes, by 3 by 4, 3 into 2 by 4 into 2, you will get 6 by 8. 3 by 4, 3 into 3 by 4 into 3 is equal to 9 by 12. 3 by 4, 3 into 4 by 4 into 4 is equal to 12 by 6. So the equivalent fractions of 3 by 4 are 6 by 8, 9 by 12, 12 by 16. Again 2 by 7. Equivalent fractions of 2 by 7. Multiply both numerator and denominator by 2. 2 into 2 by 7 into 2, you will get 4 by 14. Again 2 by 7. 2 into 3 by 7 into 3, you will get 6 by 21. 2 by 7 is equal to 2 into 4 by 7 into 4, you will get 8 by 28. So the equivalent fractions of 2 by 7 are 4 by 14, 6 by 21 and 8 by 28. Second example, Madhu ate 2 by 5 of the chocolate bar and Nandini ate 1 by 3 of the chocolate bar. Who has eaten more? Now comparing the comparing two fractions here. The portion of the chocolate eaten by Madhu is 2/5. The portion of the chocolate eaten by Nandini is 1/3. Here the portions of the chocolate eaten by both differ. How to compare these two fractions means to make it same, their equivalent fractions ought to be found. Now 2/5, we have to find the equivalent fractions of 2/5. Finding the equivalent fractions of 2/5 and 1/3 having common denominators or the same as finding the least common multiple of the denominators of the given fractions. 2/5 is equal to 2 into 3/5 into 3, that is 6/15, and 1/3 is equal to 1 into 5/3 into 5, that is 5/15. Here we got both the denominators as 15. Now it is better to compare 6/15, 5/15, which is greater. So just see the numerator. 6 is greater than 5. So 6/15 is greater than 5/15. First, make the denominator same. How to make the denominator same? Same means find the equivalent fractions of 2/5 and 1/3. You will get 6/15 and 5/15. Then you compare. 6/15 is greater than 5/15. Now Vinoda, Mugilarasi, Senthamil were participating in the water filling competition. Each one was given a bottle of equal volume to fill water in it within 30 seconds. If they three are participating in a water filling competition in a sports day, I think if Vinoda filled half portion of her bottle, Senthamil filled 3/4 quarter, we say 3/4 portion of her bottle, and Mugilarasi filled 1/4, that is 1/4 is quarter, 3/4 is we say mukkal in Tamil, no, that is 1/4 is quarter portion of her bottle. Then who would get the first, second and the third prize? Here see the denominators 1/2, 1/4 and 3/4. Both three denominators are different. To compare means we need the denominator same. How to get the denominator same? By finding the equivalent fractions. The equivalent fraction need to be written until the denominator becomes 4. Now which is the LCM of 2 and 4. Now equivalent fraction of 1/2 is 2/4. So we know the portion 1/2 is equal to, we can write instead of 1/2 we can write as 2/4 because equivalent fraction of 1/2 is 2/4. Mugilarasi's portion is 1/4 and Senthamil's portion is 3/4. Here 1/4 is less than 2/4 is less than 3/4. That is, therefore Senthamil would get the first prize, Vinoda will get the second prize, and Mugilarasi will get the third prize. Right? That is writing in the ascending order 1/4, 2/4 and 3/4. Yes. Now arrange 2/3, 1/6 and 4/9 in ascending order. Just equivalent fractions of finding the equivalent fractions, that is making the denominators same. Making the denominator same means finding the equivalent fractions. See, 2/3's equivalent fraction are 4/6, 6/9, 8/12, 10/15 and 12/18. Here 12/18 you stop there. Equivalent fractions of 1/6 are 2/12, 3/18. Denominator same means you can stop there itself. Equivalent fraction of 4/9 is 8/18. First equivalent fraction itself we got the denominator as 18. So it is enough to stop there. Then now therefore 3/18 is now the denominators are same. You see the numerators 3/3, 8, 12. 3 is less than 8, 8 is less than 12. So writing in the ascending order 1/6 is 1/6, 4/9 and 2/3. This is the ascending order of the given fractions. Now proper and mixed fractions. Improper and mixed fractions. Improper fractions means denominator is lesser, numerator is greater. See the situation. Inian had 5 idlis for his breakfast. When he was about to eat, his friend Abdul came. He wanted to share it equally with his friend Abdul. Both of them have taken 2 each and half of the remaining idli. Now 5 idlis he had for breakfast. He sharing with his friend Abdul. So 5 he gave 2 to his friend and another half. Each one has taken 2 full idlis and half idli. This can be represented as 2 plus 1 by 2, that is 2, 1 and half. 2 and a half. This representation is called the mixed fraction. This representation is called the one whole and a proper fraction. One whole and a proper fraction is called the mixed fractions. Also, we can express an improper fraction as a mixed fraction by dividing the numerator by denominator to get the quotient and remainder. Thus, any mixed fraction can be written as quotient plus remainder by divisor. The format of a mixed fraction is quotient remainder by divisor. See the example, convert 5 3 by 7. 5 3 by 7 is a mixed fraction. We have to convert into improper fraction. The formula for converting is whole number into denominator plus numerator by denominator. See the 5 3 by 7, multiply it 5 into 7. Whole number is 5, denominator 7. 5 into 7 plus 3. 5 7s are 35. 35 plus 3 is 38. So, converting 5 3 by 7 as an improper fraction is 38 by 7. Convert 3 7 by 8 into improper fraction. Another example. See, improper fraction is equal to formula whole number denominator plus numerator by denominator. That is 3 into 18 is 54 plus 7 is 61. 61 by 18. 3 7 by 18 is converted as 61 by 18 as the improper fraction. Convert 17 by 3 into mixed fraction. So they have given the improper fraction. We are going to convert it into mixed fraction. Just divide and see. You will get quotient, remainder and the divisor. 17 by 3 is Q R by D. In short, we can say quotient, remainder by divisor as Q R by D. Q is here 5. 2, remainder is 2 and divisor is 3. 5 2 by 3 is the mixed fraction. Another example, 99 by 7 into mixed fraction. Divide it, 99, quotient is 14, remainder is 1 and divisor is 7. So, Q R by D, the format 14, 1 by 7 is the mixed form of 99 by 7. Thank you.